Okay, we are rolling again. So let's see. Let's start over here, please. And
He's not in our group.
I'm not.
oh, you're not. Okay, so just you two guys then. Okay, you two guys.
Yeah, this combination right here.
Okay, okay. So give us your names, please.
I'm Christopher Jackson,
I'm Josh Bowden.
Good.
and
Good.
together we will be performing Symphony No. 5 Remix Faux the Ladies.
Okay.
Movement 1, entitled Dun 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 Dun. The breakdown.
Let's get crazy!
Right. Great job. Okay, is this the notation for it here? Could you
Right here.
hold that just so we get a quick shot of it? Obviously, we'll get it better when we scan it, but let me just get. Okay, so here's the little MaKey and the key. Okay, the great name you had for it. Okay. Okay, and then down here, hang on a second. Okay, the breakdown, yeah. Okay, so you guys, what were you driving what were you triggering that's producing the sounds?
Well, one of the challenges we face is I had missed a class and Josh joined last class, so we really had one class to kind of make this. So I kind of gave him like a quick little crash course in MaKey and stuff, and we went online, found some drum samples that we downloaded from a website. They're just 8-bit drum samples that we liked, and then I already had they took the string samples on my computer, and so then I just went and downloaded some like generic DJ club remix sound effects.
Okay, and what's the software that's running all those sounds?
It's currently, I run everything through SoundPlant after I chop it up in Audacity.
Okay.
And we did perform a slightly truncated version of the second movement. Just to know.
Okay.
For the,
All right. Okay. Comments, questions, anything from anybody? All right, that's a.
What's the program you use on your computer?
SoundPlant.
Is it free?
Yes. And it's really easy. You just go in. It comes up with a little. I'm gonna show. It comes up with a model of like your keyboard basically, and you hit Open Sound. First you select a key on the keyboard, then you hit Open Sound. Whatever sound you click on in like your music folder, it assigns it to that key. So when you press that key, it triggers the sound.
Very cool, very cool.
SoundPlant.
Sound plant.
Is that what you use to chop up this sample as well, or did you use something else?
I use Audacity to chop it up, but you can do a little sound editing within SoundPlant. You can actually raise and lower the pitch, which I've used for other stuff before.
Terrific, terrific, terrific.